it's a good day. It's been a wonderful day. The sun come up this morning. My little kitty cats was glad to see me when I opened the door and said good morning to them.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh, and let's see, I'm going to try to play some. I don't know how good I'll do.
Well, thank you.
And my right pedal. That's my favorite song, I think.
Grandma, you're doing so good.
Is that enough?
Yes, ma'am. Man, you did so good, Grandma. I don't think you hardly. I don't think you messed up at all, did you?
Well, I don't know. I think I did better than I've been doing.
I think so too. And you have a little force behind them fingers. Have you been exercising them things?
No.
No? Well, you did a good job.
I do this once in a while.
Well, there you go. It must be working. You did wonderful, Grandma.
I love to play the piano, though. I used to play all the time. I don't guess there's a church in Covington County that I hadn't played for at some time or other.
Well, that's the only way I can think of that you still have every single
And
song
some,
memorized.
and some in Georgia and some in Florida.
Well, there you go. Well, thank you so much. Do you have a message for us this week?
Well, it's been a good week. I haven't done anything but sit around, watch a little TV, read a little bit. My reading is very limited, but I read what I can.
Well, thank you.
I just know this, the Lord loves me, He loves you, He loves everybody, and there's nothing He can't do. All we got to do is ask Him, and He'll do it His way, not our way, but His way.
That's right. Thank you so much. Love you, Grandma.
I love you all.